So I just got home from Kroger. It is about 10:30 at night, and I'm going to show you guys what I purchased. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys my Kroger haul. It is nighttime, as you can see, so it's kind of dark in here, so forgive the lighting. But I just got home. Let's see what time it is. It is 10:30 at night. Okay, so here we go. I got a whole chicken. I did get a pack of drumsticks. These are on sale this week for 79 cents a pound. That's pretty good. I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, right here. 3, 4, 5 packs of the boneless, skinless chicken breast. I always buy my meat at Kroger. I trust their meat, and it's really, really good, and I like it. So, anyhow, I got some bread. Show you guys what I bought. So we got a light rye bread, as well as 100% whole wheat sugar-free bread. And I have to say that this bread here is really, really good. It's nice and soft, and it makes great sandwiches. So really, really good. I got the rye because I'm going to be making some Reubens this month. I have been so hungry for a good Reuben, so I'm going to have that. I stocked up on fajita seasonings, so I just got a handful of those. I use this in my zucchini linguine. I believe the recipe for this is healthy dinner in 30 minutes. So thick and zesty spaghetti sauce, as well as a meatloaf seasoning. Purchased 2 of the cinnamon rolls with icing. This is just the Kroger brand. These I think were on sale for 2 for $3. And then I got the croissants or crescents, because I know some of you guys always love to correct me when I say this, but everybody knows this is a crescent roll, right guys? So I got 2 of those for a recipe that I'm going to be making. I got some hot dogs. A lot of you guys have been requesting my pretzel dogs. I am going to film that, I promise you. Just every time I buy hot dogs, my kids get in my refrigerator and cook up my hot dogs, and then I don't have them to film with. So I'm going to hide these, and we're going to do that video, I promise. Some Canadian bacon, and 2 things of corned beef. This is what I use to make my Reuben with, and I have to say it is more expensive than I want it to be, but when you really want one, you buy it, right? I got a couple things of bananas. These are the mini red potatoes. I'm going to be making my sausage and spinach soup. Sometimes I put kale in it, so it may be under my recipes as sausage and kale and spinach soup or potato soup or something to that nature. I can't remember exactly, but it is to die for. It is so good. I got 3. No, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zucchini. I didn't realize I got that many, but I got zucchini. And I got some crushed pineapple for something I'm going to be making. You guys will see. And I got 2 things of coconut milk, and you all will be seeing a recipe with that, hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed I get these videos done. Every time it seems like I think I got my ducks in a row and I've got all these videos planned, something happens. So hopefully nothing happens. My dog is barking. Hold on. Let me let him in. Come on. Come on in. Okay. Now, I've got heavy cream. And I bought 2 boxes of Suddenly salad. This is the Caesar. I don't usually buy stuff like this, but if it is on clearance, and I do have something planned with this, and you all probably see that too, I hope, I go ahead and I purchase it. I got some Thousand Island dressing for my Reubens, and that is all I purchased. I'm going to show you guys what my total was, because I know you guys like to see. Hopefully my camera will focus. There you go. It says 125, 56, is that right? And that is what I spent tonight. So not too bad. I got a lot of meat, and it seems like anytime you buy meat, that is where your money goes. And yeah, so that is everything I got from Kroger. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have you join in on all the fun that I have planned for the month. I gotta put away the groceries and it's 10:30 at night. Not exactly looking forward to this. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.